Hey there, Gut Harmony family. Today we're going to go over Gut Health Makeover that will teach you how to transform your microbiome in 30 days. Make sure to watch to the end because you will learn about the 30-day Gut Harmony Challenge so you can follow a step-by-step plan for better gut health. For your convenience, we've included the sources of the information in the video transcript, and you can find the full bibliography in the video description. In today's video, we're diving into something super important, your gut health. You might not think about it every day, but your gut microbiome is working behind the scenes to keep you feeling your best. Did you know that having a balanced microbiome can actually boost your mood and strengthen your immune system? Today, we're going to break down what gut health really means and why taking care of your microbiome can completely change how you feel, inside and out. We'll talk about some natural remedies and simple lifestyle changes you can start making today to improve your gut health. Plus, we'll cover probiotics, prebiotics, and how what you eat plays a big role in how your gut functions. By the end of this video, you'll have some easy steps you can take right away to start improving your gut health. So, if you've been wondering how to get your digestion on track, boost your energy, and feel better overall, stick with us. We've got some practical tips that'll get you on the path to feeling great. Let's start this gut health journey together and take small, meaningful steps toward better health. Understanding the microbiome. Now, let's talk about the microbiome. It's not something you see or even think about daily, but your microbiome is that community of microorganisms, like bacteria, viruses, and fungi, living in and on your body, especially in your gut. And those tiny bacteria, they're actually crucial to your overall health. I remember the first time I learned about this, and it honestly changed how I looked at food and health in general. These little organisms help you break down food, absorb nutrients, and even defend against harmful bacteria. A well-balanced microbiome does more than just help with digestion. It supports your immune system, helping it fight off infections and reduce inflammation. It's amazing to think that it even connects to your brain. The gut-brain axis is a real thing. What happens in your gut can affect your mood and mental clarity. I've definitely noticed a difference in my own stress levels when I'm more mindful of my gut health. It's pretty clear. When your microbiome is in balance, you feel better all around. But when things get out of whack, whether it's from stress, antibiotics, or poor diet, that's when you start feeling those digestive issues, or even feel more sluggish or moody. Trust me, I've been there. The good news is, by making a few healthy changes, you can get things back on track and feel your best. Signs of an unhealthy gut. So, how do you know if your gut needs some extra TLC? Well, the signs are there if you know what to look for. Bloating, fatigue, food intolerances, and digestive issues like constipation or diarrhea are big red flags. Bloating can be uncomfortable. I know I've had those days where you feel like you can't wear anything that isn't stretchy. And if you're feeling constantly tired for no reason, your gut might be to blame. I remember a time when I was always sluggish, and I didn't realize it was linked to my gut health. It was a real wake-up call. Food intolerances can show up in unexpected ways too, like headaches, skin breakouts, or stomach pain. These can make enjoying meals and social events feel stressful. I can't tell you how many times I've had to sit out on certain foods at gatherings because they just didn't sit right with me. If any of this sounds familiar, it might be time to start thinking about making some changes. When your gut isn't working right, it can throw everything else off. Your energy, your mood, and even how you manage stress. Don't ignore these signs. Pay attention to how you're feeling and consider making a few small changes to get your gut back in balance. You'll be amazed at how much better you'll feel. Dietary changes for gut health. Now, let's get into one of the easiest ways to support your gut, your diet. What you eat directly affects your microbiome, so choosing the right foods is key. One thing I've learned is how important fiber is. Fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes are packed with fiber, and they do wonders for your gut. I've made a habit of filling my plate with a rainbow of colors, and it really makes a difference. Another game changer? Fermented foods. We're talking yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These foods are loaded with probiotics, which are the good bacteria your gut needs to thrive. I used to think fermented foods were just trendy, but after trying them regularly, I realized they really help with digestion and make me feel more energized. At the same time, cutting down on processed foods and sugar is crucial. I've noticed whenever I eat too many processed snacks, my gut reacts, and not in a good way. Focusing on whole, unprocessed foods helps keep things balanced. Make these small changes, and your gut will thank you. Make sure to watch to the end because you will learn about the 30-day Gut Harmony Challenge, a step-by-step plan for better gut health. Lifestyle modifications. It's not just about what you eat, though. Your lifestyle plays a big role in your gut health, too. One thing that's made a huge difference for me is regular exercise. It doesn't have to be intense. Even just walking or doing something fun like cycling helps stimulate your digestion. Personally, I try to get at least 30 minutes of activity most days, and it really helps keep everything running smoothly. Another important thing is managing stress. We all know stress isn't good for us, but did you know it can mess with your gut bacteria too? When I'm stressed, my digestion goes haywire. That's why I've started practicing mindfulness and doing yoga. Finding ways to relax, whether it's meditation or deep breathing, can really support your gut health. And let's not forget about sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for your gut and your overall health. I aim for 7 to 9 hours a night, and I've noticed a huge improvement in how I feel. When you're well rested, your body has time to heal and restore, which includes your microbiome. Supplements for gut health. If you're looking for a little extra boost, supplements can help support your gut too. Probiotics are probably the most popular supplement for gut health, and for good reason. They help replenish the good bacteria in your gut. I've been taking them for a while now, and I've definitely noticed an improvement in my digestion and energy levels. Prebiotics are another important piece of the puzzle. These fibers feed the good bacteria in your gut, helping them grow stronger. Foods like garlic, onions, and bananas are great sources of prebiotics, but if you're not getting enough, a supplement can help. Remember though, everyone's body is different, so it's a good idea to talk to a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. I found that a little extra support, along with a healthy diet and lifestyle, makes a big difference. Tracking your progress. Last but not least, keep track of how your gut is improving. One of the best things I did when I started focusing on my gut health was keeping a food diary. Writing down what I ate and how I felt each day helped me spot patterns. It's amazing how certain foods can affect your energy and digestion. There are some great apps out there that make it easy to log your meals, symptoms, and even your mood. It's a simple way to stay motivated and see the progress you're making. Trust me, even small changes can lead to big results. Celebrate those wins. In today's video, we've talked about why gut health is so important and the steps you can take to improve it. From understanding your microbiome to recognizing signs that your gut might need some help, we've covered a lot. Whether it's adding more fiber and probiotics to your diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, or getting enough sleep, these changes can have a huge impact on your overall health. Your gut is the key to feeling your best, inside and out. Let's keep making small, manageable changes that lead to big improvements in how we feel every day. The 30-day Gut Harmony Challenge, a step-by-step plan for better gut health. Are you ready to transform your gut health in just 30 days? Welcome to the 30-day Gut Harmony Challenge. This plan is designed to help you take small, manageable steps that lead to big improvements in your digestion, energy, and overall well-being. Each week, you'll focus on one area of gut health with actionable tasks to complete each day. Let's get started. Week 1, build a gut-friendly plate. Goal: focus on eating fiber-rich and fermented foods to nourish your microbiome. Day 1 to 3. Increase fiber intake by adding more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes to your meals. Aim for at least 5 servings of veggies and 2 servings of fruit per day. Start tracking your meals in a food diary. Day 4 to 6. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi to 1 meal per day. These foods are packed with probiotics that support your gut. Day 7. Reflect on your progress. How are you feeling? Notice any changes in your digestion or energy levels? Continue tracking your food and symptoms. Week 2. Cut out the gut busters. Goal: eliminate processed foods and added sugars that can harm your gut health. Day 8 to 10. Gradually reduce processed foods and sugary snacks. Replace them with whole, unprocessed alternatives like nuts, seeds, and fresh fruits. Day 11 to 13. Focus on reducing sugar intake by cutting out sugary drinks like soda or juice. Opt for water or herbal teas instead. Day 14. Reflect on how cutting back on processed foods and sugar has affected you. Do you feel less bloated or more energized? Make a note of it in your journal. Week 3. Move for gut health. Goal: incorporate physical activity to stimulate digestion and improve gut function. Day 15 to 17. Start with at least 20 to 30 minutes of moderate exercise each day, like walking, cycling, or light yoga. This will help stimulate your digestive system. Day 18 to 20. Increase the intensity or duration of your workouts. Try new activities like strength training or a group fitness class. Day 21. Reflect on how exercise is impacting your gut health. Are you noticing better digestion or improved energy? Track your progress. Week 4. Stress less. Sleep more. Goal: reduce stress and prioritize sleep to promote gut health. Day 22 to 24. Practice stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or stretching for at least 10 minutes daily. Mindfulness can have a huge impact on your gut health. Day 25 to 27. Focus on improving your sleep quality. Establish a calming bedtime routine. Limit screen time before bed and aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Day 28. Reflect on how reducing stress and improving sleep has impacted your gut and overall well-being. Final days. Track your progress and make adjustments. Day 29. Review your food diary and notes from the past month. What changes have you noticed in your digestion, energy, and mood? Take time to celebrate your progress. Day 30. Set goals for maintaining these habits moving forward. Which changes made the biggest difference? How can you continue building on your success? By the end of this challenge, you'll have developed gut-friendly habits that are easy to maintain and make a huge difference in how you feel. Remember, your gut is the foundation for your overall health, so keep prioritizing it. Let's keep the momentum going. Here's to a healthier, happier you, inside and out. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of gut health and wellness and much more. Check out this related video, and I'll see you in the next video.